Hello everyone, today I will be doing a comparison review actually on these two fragrances. This one is the ever famous Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent, and this one is Zara Gardenia. So apparently the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium has come out way before this Zara scent. So when I first bought this Zara Gardenia, I thought that it smelled familiar, and it only crossed my mind that it smelled like Black Opium. So apparently people are saying that Zara is actually a dupe for this famous designer fragrance of Black Opium. So comparing these two, so let's talk about Black Opium first. Black Opium is apparently a coffee-ish vanilla scent with the opening note of pink pepper, orange blossom, and pear. And in the middle note, there we have coffee, which is the star of the show, and also at the base we have the vanilla, the cedarwood, and a very vanillic scent. So enough of the note. Let's talk about how I feel when I wear this. So when I wear this, upon the initial first blast, I immediately get the orange blossom mixed together with the red, I think it's red pepper. So there is a little tiny bit of spiciness mixed together, like like a pepper note here mixed together with the fruity note of the pear and also the orange blossom. The orange blossom isn't quite that strong. It's more like a very mellow down scent, just add a little bit of to that pearish note. But this only lasted quite a while, and then slowly the fragrance starts to develop and it becomes a very delicious enveloping scent of coffee note. I would say that the coffee note in here, it's not like the bean, like a dark roasted espresso kind of coffee. It's more like like a latte, like a mocha kind of coffee scent, because the coffee note in here is really sweetened up by the vanilla. So this is actually very round. I would imagine that the scent has no rough edges. It's very round, it's very smooth, kind of vanilla coffee scent, which is not really that coffee actually. It's more like a vanilla scent. So with a little bit of pepperiness and also the coffee note in here. I would say that the pepperiness in here really makes it quite special, because I think throughout the fragrance the peppery slowly dies down rather slow, so it is present here in the middle note and also at the bottom. So when the coffee starts to come out, it is mixed together with the pepperiness, and it slowly, and the pepperiness slowly dies down, while the vanilla slowly starts to take its place. So it becomes more round and less spicier, and at the end of the scent, you would have a very lovely vanillic, milky. Although there's nothing lactonic about this fragrance, it's quite coffee and vanilla mixed together throughout the scent, and it will leave a very beautiful trail, and it lasted quite long on me. I think it lasted a whole working day on me. Although the projection is not that beastly, it projects quite well in the first 2 hours, then it slowly becomes closer to the skin, but somehow I get whiffs of it, and I'm quite happy with it. So enough about Black Opium, and let's talk about the Zara Gardenia scent. So the Zara Gardenia, I can't differentiate whether it's coming from the 2016 or the 2017 batch, because I checked for Fragrantica. Apparently there are two batches, and my bottle doesn't look like neither of them. So the Zara Gardenia scent, I checked on Fragrantica. Apparently many people think that it smells similar to Black Opium, and the notes there are listed: lime, vanilla, apparently, musk, and I think it's jasmine or orange blossom. So this Zara scent, it lacks the pepperiness in here. It is actually a very, it opens up with a raspberry, but the raspberry note isn't that obvious here, I would say. The raspberry is mixed together with the lime note, and the vanilla is there in the beginning until the end. So in the beginning, it is not so, I would say it's not as matured in the beginning as in Black Opium. Black Opium seems more elegant in the beginning, and this one seems like a very messy kind of beginning. Not to take it negatively, but it is, very straight to the point. This is straight away the vanilla mixed together with the raspberry and together with the lime, although the raspberry is quite muted in here. It's not really the loud kind of sweet raspberry note you get in here. You get something like a berry-ish, a little bit kind of berry-ish note mixed together with some citrus and vanilla. So after that, all the berry-ish note will die down, all the citrusy note will die down, and slowly it becomes more like a jasmine mixed together with a vanilla scent, where the vanilla really takes the huge part of it. And I would say musk is really present here in this fragrance as compared to Black Opium. Musk is really present here in the Zara Gardenia scent mixed together with the vanilla. So if compared this to Black Opium, this is like straight away the mid of Black Opium, amped up with musk and vanilla. So it's not that sweet. I would say that the sweetness between these two are quite equal. It's not like Zara is so much sweeter. No, it's just like it's more synthetic or not so well rounded as compared to Black Opium. So Zara, I wore this and it lasted about 4 to 5 hours, and the projection is quite good in the first hour. After that, it is really close to the skin. But comparing to the prices, of course the Zara would be a lot cheaper, but it depends which one you like. I would say these two are quite my favorite, but Black Opium really wins the battle comparing these two, because Zara seems to be more, what would I say, it's like you see what you get. You see the notes, and that's the notes that you will get without much development. And although it dies down to a quite beautiful vanilla mixed together with some musk, it seems a little bit sharper, a little bit harsher compared to Black Opium. While Black Opium is more rounded, I think it's because of the coffee note in here. Zara Gardenia does not have the coffee note in here. It's more like a musk and vanilla. But Black Opium, because of the coffee note, it seems to add a little bit of depth to it. So if you're interested in trying both, I recommend you to try Black Opium first. Maybe you will like Black Opium more. That's all for my review now. Thanks for watching, and if you have anything to say, please don't forget to leave a comment down below, and also please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.